Being a homeowner means that maintaining your roof for the safety of your family is a must. Taking care of your roof is maybe an intimidating process. No matter how durable and firm your roof is, it gets weaker as years go by. But you can ensure it lasts to its expected lifespan with the right level of care and maintenance. In order to maintain your roof, committing timely inspections and roof maintenance can prevent the need for extensive repairs or replacement. Seasonal or annual checkups will lengthen the life of your roofs, preventing leaks that lead to damage, costly repairs, and worst, a complete whole roof replacement. We've put together quick-hitting roof maintenance to guide you through the best solutions for your roof and home. 1. Unclogged gutters. Every homeowner is aware that cleaning or unclogging of gutter is associated with maintaining your roofs. Leaves that stalk in your roofs are easy to remove, and there is no reason to have them on your top. Because clogged gutters can overflow with so many leaves, bugs, pests, and debris come from the rainwater. Over time, the water can damage the roofs and the support beams that holding it aloft. 2. Monitor moss. Moss seems harmless, but it can damage your roof. If you want to maintain your roof, you can do an occasional moss removal procedure. That will help extend the longevity and prevent damage from occurring. Moss holds water, which might result in leaks and wood rotting, meaning water can penetrate the inside of your home. 3. Schedule professional roofers for inspections. It is so obvious that to maintain your roof, a regular roof inspection needs to be done. Inspection is best to leave for professionals, because some damage is not visible and only an expert can address the issue. A professional roof inspection and do some tests, and examine your roof to check if there is some underlying damage. Scheduling for a regular inspection can help you in maintaining your roofs. 4. Inspect shingles. You can do this job without the help of an expert. You can check your shingles with yourself by simply grabbing a ladder and heading up to check your roof to see if there is a sign of shingle damage to your roof. Regular inspections of shingles can ensure that your shingles are installed properly and serving their purpose to your roof. 5. Trim any overhanging branches. Overhanging branches can be a headache later in years. Due to different climates, tree branches can damage your roof by falling the branches due to heavy snow or heavy rain and wind. So be sure to trim down any overhanging branches in your yard. This will prevent the risk of falling or whipping through your house. These are a few tips we can share to guide you in maintaining your roof in a good condition. Maintaining your roof in good condition is like keeping your family safe and well ventilated. While roof replacement is a good idea, but it costs you more. You can prevent this from happening by addressing the possible issues that will come up shortly. Roof maintenance will help you save a lot of money because you can prevent bigger problems from occurring. You can address early signs of leaks and damage before it turns out to be a horror.